Oh my god, the school trips. You're watching Ride Comparisons, and today we're here at Flamingo Land. We haven't been here since last year for the opening day of SICK. I haven't done a 1-minute theme park yet, so that's why we're here today. And we're also going to be able to see how the park performs with busy operations. So here we are, guys, Flamingo Land. It's extremely busy, as you can see. Last time we were here was for the opening day of SICK. We get a ride on there, see how it's riding a year later, see if the mist is still going. And hopefully Flamingo Land operations are good today and we can get on a lot of rides. Velocity's busy already. So SICK's not open yet, guys. We're going to start our day with a go on Kumali. An SLC that's actually good. Now SLCs get a lot of bad raps. SLC meaning suspended looping coaster by Vekoma. They get a lot of bad rap, but this one is actually very good. We've only got one more in the UK to try it. That's Fantasy Island. I can't remember what it's called. Odyssey. So other than Odyssey, which we haven't tried yet, this is our favourite SLC in the UK. So let's go take a ride on Kumali. Infusion's all right. I'm written on the front. I love Kumali. Best SLC. You're watching Ride Comparisons, and this is Kumali. What did you think of your first ever go on Kumali?
Yeah, it was alright. Uncomfortable though.
Uncomfortable. The SLCs are, aren't they, Jacob? But it's the only one Jacob will go on.
Mine's the most comfortable one.
What, at Energylandia?
Best restraints.
We've still got Odyssey to try.
Yeah.
We've just seen now that SICK is open, so we're heading over there. See how it's riding from the opening day. Just a tip, guys, if you're hoping to use your GoPro on the ride, Flamingo Land has a new policy. You have to go to guest services first and get it checked over. And then they give you a little slip so you can show the ride operators. Here we go. SICK Flamingo Land. Oh, it's been over a year since opening day. It's a beautiful sight. Let's see how she's riding. You're watching Ride Comparisons, and this is SICK. Guy's first go on SICK.
It's not noisy anymore.
What happened there? Oh, they're evacuating it. Oh, the school kids are not happy. So apparently they had to stop the ride there because somebody got their phone out. What did you think of your first ever ride on SICK at Flamingo Land?
I like it, it's just a rattle to it.
There's a bit of rattle to it now, and it really hurts on the heartline rolls.
Guys, I don't know what's happened. It was over a year ago on opening day when we last came, and
We haven't even got the mist
it's
on.
just so rattly.
No mist either. No mist.
Yeah, the mist isn't there anymore, unfortunately. It did kind of add to the ride. The lap bars, you know, there's a lot more comfortable rides, but that was the gimmick of Sick. It was the second ride in the UK to feature lap bars, big ride like this anyway. But it's just got such a rattle now, hasn't it?
Icons so much better.
Yeah, definitely. So, I'm not sure about that one, guys. I don't know if it's re-rideable. It was quite painful, actually. Still a very good coaster.
Still really enjoy it, it's just not very rideable.
I'm not too sure if I actually prefer Kumali this trip.
I don't know.
Who would have thought I'd be saying something's more rough than an SLC? Anyway, let's go see what else we can find at Flamingo Land. So here's Pterodactyl, guys. It's the UK's most dodgy and terrifying sky swing. I'm not putting myself through it again today. In the future, you will see me on different sky swings that I haven't tried before. They terrify me. If you want to see the reaction, you can check out the last vlog.
You love it.
No, I really don't.
You do?
They are the only thing that I'm scared of.
I'm not scared of them, I love them.
But we've got a mission now, haven't we, Jacob? What's our mission?
Find the flamingos.
Always. Gotta see the flamingos when you come to Flamingo Land. So if you haven't been to Flamingo Land before, guys, it's got a massive zoo. Probably one of the best theme park zoos. What do you reckon?
Yeah, I like
It is
it.
my favourite.
It's your favourite one, yeah. It's definitely better than Drayton Manor's one.
Tiny that one.
And the animals get a lot of space, which is always good to see at a zoo.
Cheston one's small too.
Let's go find the flamingos. He's got a big old hemorrhoid. Oh.
He's
Oh.
scratching it.
Oh.
He's scratching it.
Well, that was anticlimactic.
Yeah.
Capybara. Oh, it's a little duckling. Capybara. Capybara, 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 capybara. I haven't showed you much of it in the vlog, guys, but it is a very big zoo. There's a lot to do. We always get lucky on the turkeys. Come on, turkey, do your thing.
You were just in Turkey a week ago.
What, Land of Legends?
Yeah. Hypercoaster.
It's not doing that.
No, they don't want to perform for us today.
Chickens!
Worth mentioning, guys, we haven't seen it today, but Flamingo Land has a very, very, very good parrot show. So if you walk past that or you can see the times for it, definitely don't miss it. Very good.
Silly peacock. Silly peacock.
Oh, thank you. I love it. I'm really excited.
Sky and Jacob about to go on the UK's worst ghost train. We'll see the reaction. It's so bad. Okay, so the horror house had a giant queue. They're not going to bother with it. They're going on wacky races. Sky, you don't know how to drive. Are you ready for the most thrilling and exciting ride of your life?
We're not on Revolution.
Please stand behind the yellow line.
We went on that yesterday.
3 hours later.
1,000 miles per hour. The mist is back on.
Oh, the mist is back on Sick.
Yay!
There you go.
Did we go on it?
We might have to have another ride on it. Operations are great today at Flamingo Land, guys, even though it is extremely busy. So here's Hero, guys. The UK's most painful attraction. If you want to see a reaction video to it, there's a video for it on my channel. We're not going to ride it today because it's just not worth the queue.
So bad.
But we went on there with Josh and it was an absolutely hilarious reaction to it. Josh hated it. So yeah, we're not going to bother with this one today.
Oh, I choose your.
They've made an arcade themed to Hero. What the... Where's the bakery?
No, you buy cheese straws.
No! Where's the bakery? What's going on? What have they done? What have they done?
No, not my cheese straws.
No, what have they done? He said there's another shop down here somewhere, so they might have them there. But if they don't, that is so depressing.
They're the best cheese straws.
Then you got Cliffhanger over here, guys. It's the UK's best reverse drop tower.
Awesome.
You get awesome views at the top, so we're definitely going to get a ride on there. They better have them cheese straws. Wow, this is all new. Absolutely heartbroken, guys. The cheese straws at Flamingo Land are no more.
I'm so sad. They were so nice.
They've also got a campsite on park, guys, not hotels like some of the bigger theme parks. Here's Mumbo Jumbo and old school S&S coasters. If you remember Slammer at Fort Park, it has the same restraints. Let's go take a ride on Mumbo Jumbo. You're watching Ride Comparisons, and this is Mumbo Jumbo.
Whoa! Oh, good. Well, outer bank. Oh, don't move. Take time. Oh no. Wasn't too bad that time.
You didn't find it too bad?
It's good, I enjoy it.
It's got a good drop. It is quite painful though. Surprisingly, guys, at Flamingo Land, the smoothest ride in the park is actually a Vekoma SLC, which I didn't think I'd be saying.
Really bad rattle.
Sick did have a really bad rattle.
We haven't done the front though.
So I think we're going to declare this the UK's most painful theme park. Agreed? You don't know.
Blackpool Pleasure Beach.
Blackpool Pleasure Beach? What's painful at Blackpool?
Infusion.
Yeah, but what about all the other rides?
The wooden coasters.
The wooden coasters are, yeah, it's got a point there. They are pretty rough. What about Icon?
Icon's amazing.
Well, there you go then.
That's one smooth ride. Revolution's quite smooth.
But the main
Big one's
attractions
rough.
here at Flamingo Land, guys, they've all got pretty bad rattles.
With your chip.
What you got? Cheese chips? Fair enough.
They look nice.
Just not the cheese straws though. What's Flamingo Land without rain? Every time we come. No, we were just about to have a go on Cliffhanger, but it's broken down. Engineers are getting their harnesses on. They've got to climb up and sort something out by the looks of it. That's a shame. So we had another ride on Sig. It's definitely one that warms up, guys, and the mist just makes the ride, doesn't it, Jacob?
There was less of a rattle that time, I thought.
Less of a rattle. Yeah,
no
maybe it just needs to warm up. Do all the other attractions first if you come, guys, and then come to Sig afterwards. Not great at the start of the day, is it?
Yeah.
But very good. What do you think?
No, I like that with the mess.
Yeah, much better. Little train.
Choo choo.
They've added more flamingos. They weren't there before. They're taking over.
Flamingo Land.
So we just did Kumali at the back, guys. Yeah, it's just standard SLC at the back. It is very painful. Sky managed to get a picture of Jacob off-ride. Check this out.
Leave me alone.
I have never seen this attraction at Flamingo Land before, but it looks very wrong. Those clowns are yeah, probably things I can't say on YouTube, but I'm sure you can use your imagination. What are you doing? There is a clown doing explicit things above your head. What are you doing? You don't even like clowns.
Yeah, I was thinking that. Why is she on if she don't like clowns? Their birthday.
We've seen this ride every time we come, guys. It's called Twistosaurus. We've never actually been on it, so we're going to give it a go. You don't see it in the normal vlogs that people put up, so let's have a look. You're watching Ride Comparisons, and this is Twistosaurus.
It's an odd one to go on.
It is a little bit. It's not quite like a crazy mouse.
Might be better than one, actually.
Oh, it's
it
going
is
to
a
beat
little
Ride
bit.
to Happiness, clearly.
Yeah.
Oh my god!
Oh my god, that's terrifying. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's better than Ride to Happiness.
Oh!
Too heavy.
So there's Twistosaurus, guys. What do you reckon?
Best ride ever. Way better than Ride to Happiness.
Not quite. It's got a very good gift shop though, guys. There's a lot of dinosaur stuff in there for the kiddies. Would love that when I was younger.
Yeah.
So yeah, this is sort of your dinosaur area, guys. You've got loads of little bits. There's obviously pterodactyl, which I'm not going on today.
You love it, really.
No, absolutely hate it.
I like it. 1 minute theme parks.
Sky just tricked Jacob with a really nice sweet, and it's actually his first ever toxic waste. he's never had one. he would never ever try him before. She just tricked him. Sorry, that was funny. That was funny.
Take your fins and do this motion, you'll soon be gliding through the ocean. Find that swimming's easy, it's no slog. It's as easy as falling off a log.
Falling off a log. Oh no, that sounds dangerous, and I bruise like a peach. I don't think I can. It's easy for you to say.
Oh, you get absolutely drenched.
Think of baby shark. Yes, that's waiting for you.
You know.
So hold your nose and dive right under. You'll get down there and then you'll.
2 weeks from shore went down on her a right whale bore. Captain called all hands and swore he'd take that whale in tow. Soon may there was something clean to see.
One more ride on sick. Let's go. But it's really warmed up now.
Yeah.
So that brings us to the end of the vlog, guys. Did you have a good day?
Yeah, it's been a good day today.
What do you think, Jacob? Yeah, despite school trips, guys, Flamingo Land operations were actually very, very good, the best I've seen. Unfortunately, it is a shame that we didn't get to go on Cliffhanger, because it is our favourite reverse drop tower in the UK. So that is a big shame. But the queues weren't too long, we didn't wait over an hour for anything, and it's been a really good day. So if you did enjoy today's vlog, guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.